Welcome to the An English Coffee Office. Today is Sunday, July 13, and like every morning, David and Alex are at the coffee machine.
Hey Alex, how's it going today?
Hi David, I'm good, thanks. How about you?
Not bad, not bad. Just need this coffee to wake up.
Same here. I'm always tired in the morning.
Yeah, me too. This coffee machine is my best friend right now.
Haha, I know the feeling. It's the only thing keeping me going.
Totally. Hey, did you hear about those new tariffs from President Trump?
Oh yes, I saw something about Japan and South Korea getting a 25% tariff starting August 1.
Exactly. That's gonna hit sales hard for us, you know.
True. It might change how we work with clients over there.
I hope it doesn't mess up my deals. I've got enough headaches already.
I understand. We might need to rethink some strategies.
Yeah, I just want to sell without extra problems. Why make it so tough?
It's a big change for business. We'll need to watch how it plays out.
For sure. I've got clients in Japan who won't be happy about this.
Same for my projects. Some of our suppliers are from South Korea.
More costs for everyone. I bet prices will go up soon.
Probably. It's not great for the economy, I think.
Nope. I just hope my boss doesn't blame me for lower sales.
Let's hope not. We'll figure out a way to handle it.
Yeah, let's keep an eye on it. Fingers crossed it's not too bad.
Agreed. We'll talk more if there's any update.
Cool. Hey, did you see that tech news about NVIDIA?
Yes, I did. They hit 4 trillion in market value. That's huge.
Crazy, right? First company to do that, I think.
Yes, it's a record. It shows how big tech is now.
Totally. Everyone needs their chips for everything these days.
Exactly. From computers to cars, they're everywhere.
I bet our IT guys are super happy about this news.
Probably. It's good for innovation, I think.
Yeah, but I just hope my computer doesn't crash again. I'm not tech savvy.
Fair enough. Tech can be tricky sometimes.
Too tricky for me? I'm still learning the new software at work.
Same here. But it's exciting to see these big numbers in tech.
For sure. Makes me wonder if I should buy some NVIDIA stock.
Maybe. But it's already so expensive now.
True. I'll stick to selling stuff, not buying stocks.
Good plan. Tech is moving so fast, it's hard to keep up.
Way too fast. I just want my laptop to work, that's all.
I get it. But these companies are changing the world.
Yeah, no doubt. Hey, speaking of exciting, did you hear about Mexico's win?
Oh yes. They won the Gold Cup against the US.
Yeah, their 10th title? That's amazing, right?
It is. Sports always bring people together, don't you think?
Totally. I watched the game with some friends. So much fun.
Nice. I didn't watch, but I saw the highlights online.
You should have seen the crowd. They went wild after the last goal.
I bet. It's nice to see something positive in the news.
Yeah, we need more of that. Less stress, more goals.
True. It's a good break from all the work stuff.
For sure. I was cheering so loud my throat hurt.
That's funny. I like seeing people happy about sports.
Me too. It's a nice change from all the bad news out there.
Definitely. It reminds me of when I used to play soccer as a kid.
Oh, you played? That's cool. I was terrible at sports.
I wasn't great either, but it was fun back then.
Nice memory. Hey, I wish I could watch games all day instead of work.
Me too. But we've got deadlines to meet.
Oh, don't remind me. I've got a big meeting coming up soon.
Same here. I'm very busy today with project updates.
All right, let's get to it then. Can't stay at the coffee machine forever.
True. Have a good day, David.
Thanks, Alex. See you later at the next break.
Sounds good. Take care.
You too. Let's hope the day goes fast.
Yes. Good luck with your meeting.
Thanks. Good luck with your updates too.
Appreciate it. See you soon.
Catch you later.
Time to get to work. Don't forget to subscribe and practice your English every day. You'll see how it just keeps getting better and better. See you tomorrow. Hope you have a fantastic day.